How to add transition in CapCut PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Transition can only be added between the clips. So simply click on transitions at the top after you have added your picture or videos. You'll find different transitions. On the left side, you will also find all these lists. You can select transitions. And to add transition, hold on to the transition and drag it between the videos. After that, you can simply click on the transition, and on the right side, you can select duration as well. And as you can see, transition has been added. This is how to add transition in CapCut PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.